Okay. As you may know, Blizzard sometimes forget to implement things that they want to add during an expansion. This happens too much to do, too much to think about, not enough time, right? Do you remember this place? The Alliance Embassy that we unlocked when we finished the campaign, and we actually, well, Jaina finally arrived to Khazalgar, and we had this like moment between the Horde and the Alliance, right? And then what does it do? Well, I'll tell you, nothing. It's just a place you cannot really interact. You can just sit down. Nothing is going on, and with the last patch of the War Within, this is there is no way that the Alliance Embassy actually becomes useful. So yeah, kind of noticed that, but thought it was kind of funny because of how much lore there was, you know, bound to that. So yeah, anyway.